Today I have a simple Python script. So the Python script fetches YouTube data. It generates 2 or 3 depending on your data. It generates JSON files. So those JSON files can be fed to LLM and give you insight about your channel and all that. So as a creator, this file is really crucial, and let's check it out. So what you're going to need is an API key. So to get your API, you'll just need to go to Google Cloud Console. So make sure you go to console.cloud.google. Once you are there, you are in your project. Let me check this one out. Let's go back. Press this and go back. So once you're here in your project, go to API and services. So here you can search for YouTube v3. Make sure it's YouTube v3, YouTube data API v3. So have that enabled. I'll just toggle here. So mine is just enabled already. So you can make sure it's API enabled. So once you have API enabled, go back to credentials. So here you create your own credentials. Just hit this plus, create credentials, API key. So create that API. So once you have those API key, you can just show. I won't show mine, but you can delete, or so make sure you show, and there will be option to copy. So once you have that key, you are ready to run the Python script. Just scroll this script to the bottom here. I didn't use the environment, so just plug and play. So once you're here, just paste your API key here. API underscore key is equal to give it that API, and also your channel ID. So go on your YouTube studio, copy your channel ID and paste it here. So once you have that configured, you can see that this Python script imports request, imports JSON and date time and all that. So for you to run it, make sure you have Python installed. For me, I always separate different environments. So I've created a virtual environment for this. So it's called data.venv. So I'll just activate my virtual environment first. So it will be, just go to data.venv, / because I'm on Windows. So I'm aiming at this file here, scripts, and then activate PS1. So and then scripts / activate .ps1. So we can see that the environment is activated, and now I can install request. Pip install request. So it's going to, so requirements already certified because I had installed it. So once I have that configured, what I'll do, I'll just have everything configured. What I'll do now is just run the script. So to run the script, I'll just say ls first, and then I'll just say Python, then the name of the Python file. So that's data.py, YouTube data.py. So hit enter. It's fetching all videos. So page 1 fetched. So it's fetching playlist and also sample comments. So let's give it a while. It's done fetching. Completed JSON with all data, separate videos, JSON file, and human readable report. So let's first start with the TXT. So you can see that this is the channel handle, statistics, video analytics, top 5 videos, playlist, and all that. Then you have this now JSON here. So this good data for your LLM to analyze and give your way forward. So let's make a good example on how we're going to use it. So I'm going to open this. I'm going to open this and look for ChatGPT. So once I have that configured, I'll just upload the files. Go to my desktop, coding, and then the two JSON files. So control and control this and this. I'll move the text doc. Open. So we have those JSON file. I'll tell it to analyze. I can even request for a content calendar and ideas. So hit enter. So it's going to read the documents. So thanks, I have analyzed YouTube data. It knows what's working, the top performers, and so let's check. So I think it's just fetch wrong data. So that's why I love Claude. I check. See, after rechecking the uploaded data, the earlier analysis was incorrect. So let's check. You can see now it has done analysis. So it's saying this content strategy has high potential. Option 2, it's open source AI tutorials. You can see option 3, automation and dev workflow. So it's also given a 4-week strategic content calendar optimized for your channel. So for creators, this script is good for you, and I'll just upload it to my GitHub. You can check it out and tell me how it works for you. So let me check. So that's it. Realistic projection. Upload 2 focused videos per week. Stick to Starlink and AI fixes. Improve thumbnails. Use short clips. So monetization insights, potential. So that's it. Test it out, check it out. I thought it was so useful for content creators. So that's it, and peace out.